Can you find Maya Chen on page 42 in a 64-page phone book in only 5 checks? I'll show how binary search makes that possible. Because the names are sorted, check the middle, page 32. Maya is after it, so discard pages 1 through 32. 32 pages remain. Now check page 49. Maya is before it, so discard pages 49 through 64. We are down to 16 pages, 33 through 48. Check page 40. Maya is after it, so keep 41 through 48, 8 pages. Check page 45. Maya is before it, so keep 41 through 44, 4 pages. One last check, page 42. Found. Scanning from the front took 42 checks here, binary search took 5, because every comparison cut the remaining range in half.